Hello friends, my name is Kunj and I am 10 years old and welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World. And today we are going to do an experiment of science, how to ignite the matchstick in the water. So for that we need a colgate, a bowl filled up with water, a matchstick and a small plate. So let's start the experiment. So we need to take the matchstick and try to burn it. So be careful because this experiment is about 10 years old kids. So you can see the matchstick was burning easily. So I am going to throw 2-3 matchstick in the bowl full of water. And I am going to wait it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out the matchstick from the water and try to burn. So after 2 minutes, I am trying to burn the matchstick. So I am taking the another one. It's not burning. And now I am going to show you a trick. And after burning the matchstick, putting into the water also. So for that, I am going to open the colgate first and put it inside it. So you can see how it is. I am taking 2 matchsticks. You can take 2, 3 or 4. How many you like. So you can see. Put the matchstick into the water again for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm trying to burn the matchstick. Sorry, remove the colgate first. So now I am going to burn the matchstick. So you can see it was burning easily. So that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.